6 burner US range. You'll need a solution of hot soapy water. You can use Wow if there's any trouble grease spots. Some stainless steel polish and paper towels, and a green or blue scratchy, or both. You'll also need some hot pads and a clicky lighter to relight the pilots on this oven when you're done cleaning. So the first thing that you'll want to do is you can blow out the pilot lights. You can see by looking at this oven that the pilots have quite a bit of flame to them, so you don't want to get your sleeves or the hot pads in them. So you'll just blow them out. And then you can remove the burners and take them back. They're heavy, so you want to be real careful. And they also, in the back, hook up underneath the rack. So you want to be real careful in removing those. And they are quite heavy. So you'll take those back to the dish machine, or the dish area, and you'll scrub on those. You can use a green scratchy if you need to, anything to remove all that burnt on food. Once those are removed, you can clean the burners with a soft cloth. If you need to do any green scratchies on this, this is fine to remove any of the particles. Once you've cleaned the entire burner area, that debris or food particles will fall onto this tray. This is a removable tray that has foil on. You'll discard that used foil. If you're careful to do so, you shouldn't have much cleaning to do on this at all. Someone did a nice job lining this, so there's nothing that needs to be wiped from this. You'll replace with clean foil. And then you can move on to the exterior parts of the oven. Paying close attention to the underside of this rack that catches a lot of drips. You can use a step stool if you need to get up to this top shelf. It gets real greasy. And then of course the knobs and the handle of the oven part. Cleaning the front and the inside. Same thing as the top. Hot soapy water should be sufficient, but if you need to use a green scratchy, you're welcome to do so. This oven rack can come out and be taken back to the sink and cleaned. And when you're done with the entire stove area and oven, you can also clean with stainless steel polish. To do so, you'll just want to take some stainless steel polish paper towels, spray that over a trash can. You can apply that to the front area that's stainless steel. Then use the clean part of your paper towel and buff it off similar to car wax. Then you'll want to remove any parts that you've taken off, put your burners back on, paying close attention to make sure you get them up underneath this back so that they're in line like that. And then you can use a clicky lighter to relight the pilot lights. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, just ask one of us to do so, but that's an important step when finishing this oven.